Hello guys, my recipe for today's I make a simple dessert, buko pandan, buko pandan salad. And then, it's yummy. Yeah, finally, after how many years I can eat now buko pandan. Buko pandan. Ano ba yun ate? Buko pandan dessert. Yummy, yummy. Look guys. It's yummy. So, now I'm done. I will put inside the fridge so that my buko pandan will become cold. Okay.